Brittany with WTI, and I have to share with you my new favorite wool blanket. It's from the Woolly Mammoth Woolen Company. It is just so irresistible to all. I love how soft, warm, and well made this blanket is. It's perfect for on a bench, and it's now a cozy, soft cushion for you to sit on. Then when the temperatures do drop, you can just easily unfold it, wrap it around, and you're good to go for the rest of the evening. The way this blanket was made makes it so durable that it can be placed down on the ground. If you want to set up a picnic, you can enjoy some food, some drinks, and also just lay down, take a rest. And when you're done, you can easily shake off the sand, dust, leaves, fold it up, and you're ready for the next time. You can use this inside too. You can have it on the couch and cozy up to someone special, or you can be selfish and make yourself into a cozy burrito and enjoy that snuggliness. It came with this adorable little card that talks about the composition, care and cleaning. It also came with this really cool campfire cookbook, which I was so happy to use on our fire pit that's in our backyard. And it pairs so well with this blanket. We were able to fold it up and put it on our metal benches, which can get cold sometimes. And when the nighttime came, we didn't have to go inside. We could just unfold it and wrap it around and keep enjoying that cozy fire for as long as we would like. Just such a wonderful addition to our household. You are just going to be blown away by how awesome this blanket is. And that's my point of view.